How can I make it where both these wheels spin? It has the motor that spins just the tire. The axle does nothing but just freeze. Well, I think I figured out how to make it posse. Rip the rear end out of that one. That's got 2 motors. Rubber tires. Motor here, motor there. This thing's gonna do a backflip. I don't think we understand what I just created. Dual motor. You got the drill? No, he already tried to take off on this thing. It's a little wonky. It'll work. Rubber tires. Oh, hold up, hold up. Hold up. Let me put my center caps on it. Hold up. Let me put my center caps. Phew. I'm about to swap the whole 4 set. I have a full set of them old customs on it. Hey, don't get the boy riding the steelies. Hold on now, Hudson. Hey, let's go. You better hold on. Hey, hold on. Hold on. Hold on. I'm trying to tell you. Turn it. Turn it. Turn. That's it. You gotta turn. Doing wheelies. Slow down. Slow down. Hey. You gotta stop. I don't think he understands. Turn. You gotta turn it. Watch it pull the wheelie. Oh! It's probably good that it's lower in the front. Hey, I thought you learned how to drive it already. Check them out. Whoa! Whiskey throttle.